Select a pot that is slightly larger than the current pot. Protect the drainage hole with a rock and spread a layer of gravel or clay pebbles along the bottom. Then spread a layer of cactus soil mix in the pot. Once the soil around the cactus plant has dried well, you can repot it. Wrap the cactus with a wide swath of old newspaper folded several times over. Pinch it shut with a clothespin. Set the pot on its side and delicately extract the clump. Thread the cultivator along the roots of the clump to disentangle the roots without damaging them. Center the clump in the pot, backfill with your soil mix and press around the clump. Once finished, remove the newspaper wrapping. Although it might sound strange, cactus do need water. Water your cactus moderately in spring and summer.